Hello everyone, today we are going to do the unboxing of the REEBOK Country Ride 2.0 running shoes for men. These shoes were bought in the Big Billion Day sale in October. So let's get started with the unboxing. So here you can see this is how the packaging of the box looks like. So here you can see the MRP of these shoes. The MRP is 4,299 rupees and I bought the shoes for around 1,246 rupees in the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale. Here you can see the shoes. I've ordered the blue color. You have another two options available. Here, as you can see, the shoes is of a decent quality as compared to which we buy in the retail shops. Here you can see the sole. It is pretty big, and this is how it looks from the back side. Here is the Reebok branding. The downside, here is also the branding of the Reebok. These are pretty good for regular use in day-to-day life. You can use these shoes as everyday shoes. The quality looks decent. And this is how the shoes looks like. Now these are my first impressions of these shoes while unboxing. So yeah, here are some shots where I have worn the shoes. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do like, share, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you.